record some ambience and put it in this track. My poor little doggy.
Say hi, Benji. We're here.
This is Benji.
Bye, Benji.
So yeah, we'll
Bye,
take real good care of
Benji.
you for you, and we'll see you guys at 4 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Benji. Hi. He waited until the girl left to start crying. This is so sad.
Benji,
no.
no. Keep it on.
But you look cute. You can't leave. I'm sorry. Little update on the pooch. He's doing so much better. He's a lot more confident with this thing on. He runs up and down the stairs. Now he forces himself under my bed like he used to. Honestly, he needs a bath. I don't know if it's this thing, but he's starting to smell. And I need to clean this like little, what is that? I just looked it up on Google, and this website is saying that if it needs to be cleaned, just clean it with soap and warm water. So I'm just gonna use like some basic soap. I mean, it doesn't say what soap to use. Okay. Aww. Oh, I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Squeeze this out. Let's do this. It definitely looks cleaner. I know. See, the thing is, he just loves being all up in my space. Okay. This is a lot. Please. So this is how it looks. Okay. Oh, okay. He just wants some love. Anyway, that was probably the worst cleaning job ever. But now the real cleaning begins. I have to clean this mess. You want to help? Okay. So I think this is where I'm going to start, because this is all the mess people can see when I open my door, which is embarrassing. Again, if you hear banging, it's because we have construction going on. Clean clothes inside my laundry basket, so now I have nowhere to put my dirty clothes. But I don't feel like taking out my clean clothes out of my laundry basket, because that means I'm gonna have to fold them and put them away. I'm gonna form a pile for the dirty clothes and then deal with it after. Ugh, dirty. Ew. I need to throw out those flowers. Ew. It's like the water's brown. Oh, yuck. It's only been a week. This section it's okay. I gave Benji his little kingdom over here. This is his space. Yeah, I'm happy with what I've done so far, but unfortunately, it's the end of the road. I don't feel like doing anything anymore. We're currently, well, my parents are currently renovating their bedroom and the guest bath. So my dog is stressed. He wants to be out there. Here are some clips of some of the construction that's been going on. I documented some of it, but not really. So this entire ceiling was knocked down. They're also getting rid of this little closet system. And we're getting rid of this mirror. And then this wall is also going to be knocked down to kind of get a nice even wall in the room. They had a whole mirrored closet system, so that also got knocked down and it's being pushed forward so they have one connected walk-in closet. And then for the bathroom, this is how it's looking. We're still unsure on how we're going to do the layout, but we're thinking shower here, toilet, vanity, or shower, toilet, and then the whole thing being a vanity, but I have no idea what they're gonna do. They had a jacuzzi tub in there, but they decided to just remove it because they don't use it anyway, so why not turn it into like a nice like spa shower. So yeah, that is a quick overview. This is the update on the closet. So that is going to be a door, and then obviously that's a closet space, a wall over here, another door, and then another closet. And then they added walls to the bathroom, and that's gonna be the door. And they're also still knocking down this wall to expand the shower that way. And the closet is going to be a walk-in situation, so I'm able to just walk through just like this. My parents now have 2 separate closets and a little space in between here so they can put their TV. The AC units were moved up there, and they're gonna have hi-hats and I think vaulted like ceilings. Then for the bathroom, they're gonna have a shower, so that's a shower bench, and then I don't know where the shower ends, and there's gonna be a toilet and then a vanity area. It's hard to see because this camera isn't very wide. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm actually on my way to church. That's why I'm wearing a dress. But I just wanted to give you one last little house update before I end this vlog. Let me know if you guys actually want to see the house updates. I know technically I don't own the house, but it's still my house because I live here. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these house updates. If you do, I'll keep doing them. So yeah, let me just show you guys all the updates. So I haven't tiled it, so that's a shower. They're gonna tile it today, I think. Actually, I don't think they are. And then the window area, toilet, and the sink. And I'm really excited about the vanity mirror that I convinced my mom to get. I wanted the LED mirror, then my sister was like, no, that's gonna look so dumb. We should get a backlight. This is where the backlit mirror is going to be. Oh, I think the contractors are here. I'm going upstairs. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are enjoying these vlogs, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting down below. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I'll link my IG right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.